Isi buna enchira ya moyo kwenekia buna obukorerwe chisemi bwanyare kwa bugotingirwa imense ya Kenya nene county ya Kisii bono niga serikali enyare ko bageko boli gwenyare ko beko baenekeria emeremo abalia bagendete ko babakwenekia banyare ko bagosira chisemi ase chinchira ao
ayangorengana no muriki bwe kiombe kia KUDHEIHA ase county ya Kisii na boigo county ya Nyamira Thomas Mireri oyoganirie abakori merema bwo ko baba wakanwa ne serikali na tari board management askiri baterena nigo bakonyoriwa emesara yabo ekige kubairera barabo guteikira nimirimo yabo buna ebwenerete
Stephen Demo amana yange mono
magega ya chiskuru kyo borosa na chisekenderi ko ganyasege kachibesa che chiskuru ko rwa serikali enene omweri oye nigo chianyora nonye nabo umurike omunene Gusii bwekiombe kwegerera abakori emirimo ase chiskuru Thomas Mireri niga ichanire keria goteba ndogutaka nwasegeka kwagati abakori emirimo ase chiskuru balia batari gosomia bamenyekaine buna non-teaching staff.
It's like the government has abandoned the non-teaching staff in schools in the sense that the workers have not been paid. Like now most schools here in Kisii have not been paid for the last 5 months, which is quite absurd because these workers are also parents. They have not taken children to school. They cannot meet their financial obligations in their families.
Korengana na Mireri niga goichanero kubura kwa machiko bene akora ukorikwo no gwakanwa kwa bakori emirema aba ekyo ekorera barabwo gwakanwa korengana ne board che skuru egenta goteba ke okora bamenyera chinga kichinkongu
that unless the government remunerates these workers directly as the ministry workers, otherwise even the school principals are also crying that the money that they are receiving from the government is not enough. Like now even the day public schools have a big challenge in that the free secondary secondary education funds that is coming is just but peanuts, in that they cannot even meet the statutory deductions. So it's a burden also to school board of managements and the principals.
Okoboria kwaye na se wizara ya chisemi kwenekia buna amachika maikirano abekiru akora ukoriko no gwakanwa kwa non-teaching staff ase chiskuru babe buna abakori emirimo bande bonsi be serikali.
Brother Secretary Machogu, to look into the matter of the non-teaching staff in schools and regulate their terms and conditions in line with the provisions of the law, because Kenya, we believe that is a country of the rule of law, and we want as a union to request you that you remunerate these workers in line with the Civil Service Act. So unless the government, through the Ministry of Education, sits down with us and we just see the best way of how we can pay these workers through the government directly. Because we know the number of schools that are, the number of workers that are serving in our various schools depending on the number of workers. So it is easy for the government to pay them directly, rather than just sending money in a blanket form to schools and then the management to decide on how much they will pay the workers. That's why you just realize that there are a lot of arrears in terms of salaries.
Ko reporter ya Ndizi TV, Erietariane Ndemo Steven.